Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your alarm sound in Windows. First, click on the search bar at the bottom left corner of your PC and type clock. Open the clock app, and you'll see options like clock, timer, alarm, stopwatch, and world clock. Now click on alarm, then tap the plus icon at the bottom right to add a new alarm. Set the time, and if you want the alarm to repeat, choose the repeat option, like Tuesday. Next, select a ringtone of your choice and adjust the alarm duration. For example, 5 or 10 minutes. Once everything is set, click Save to confirm your alarm. If you want to delete an alarm, simply click on it and select Delete at the top. And that's it. You've now customized your alarm sound in Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another Internet Guru. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.